for like a long time, since 5th grade. I was the girl who always kept memories and videos, and she would always be funny and happy all the time. When I found out the news, I was so sad, and I looked through our old videos and photos from childhood. I went through old messages and heard her voice again. The crazy thing was, the same Missouri River we went in 2018, we sat on the same spot where she was found. We talked with each other. And I just want to say that I really wish I would have been able to talk to her again. And then I hope that we'll meet again someday. Thank you.
Expected to say goodbye so soon. She was the light of my day. She was the one that basically cured my loneliness. Every day after school, I'd call her. I always used to hang out with her, and I still remember the days when we would go to the park and hang out outside. It was the funnest hanging out with her. She matched my energy, humor, and everything. She was basically my twin. Everything was good when I was calling and hanging out with her. I thank Poo for being there for me, and she will forever be my #1 best friend.
Not only was she my bestie, she was also like a sister to me. She's the best person you can have as a friend, sister, and daughter. I never thought this day would arrive so quickly. Not a few weeks ago, we were discussing taking a trip together because she loved traveling. I urged her to wait until I have a car so we could get back together, but the day I got my car, I got the worst news of my life. This wasn't how we were supposed to reunite. No matter how difficult her days were, she would always put a smile on my face. Just sitting on the call with her and laughing was enough to make my days. 12 years of friendship, I witnessed both her happiest and saddest moment. She was supposed to see me in white, be the aunties of my kids, and grow old together. I know I don't say it enough, but I love and miss you every day. She's the brightest person I ever met. She's always positive. I appreciate everything she has done for me and taught me. Words can't describe how much she means to us. Everything is happening so fast, but this feeling inside me is taking too long to go away. She might be gone from our side, but she will always be in our hearts. I hope this speech will reach you in another life. I hope I'm still your best friend. Hey, Boo. We literally grew up together, from walking each other home from school, going to the store, making dances, dance matches, TikToks, staying up all night, talking on the phone, talking about God, our dreams, our pain. Y'all were there for me and Lay called each other soul sisters for a reason. It felt like we lived the same life, same struggles, same laugh, same love. We told each other everything. If I'm moving, you were the silly one. Always cracking jokes, always telling me you will only live once, just do it. You were the light on the cloudy days, always full of energy, always smiling, always positive. Y'all always motivated me, always sent me prayers, always reminded me to keep God first, to never give up. And y'all told me y'all were proud of me. And that meant the world to me. I smiled the most when I was with y'all. I used to beg to ride with y'all, spend the night just to be around y'all. Even play soccer on a broken foot just to be with y'all. That's how deep it went. We had plans. Me and Leigh was supposed to go on a graduation trip. Lamu got accepted to go back to school. She wanted to go to the military. She had dreams. Y'all had such big hearts and even bigger futures. I didn't get to know Lady Crest like that, but I know that she was sweet and quiet. She mattered and she's missed too. I just want to hug y'all so tight and never let go. None of us is ready to say goodbye. Nobody wants y'all to go. But I know you're with God now, dancing and laughing and shining. I'll carry y'all with me forever in everything I do. Everywhere I go, I love y'all forever, always. Y'all sister, Cherished.
My name is Riel. I was Leon's friend and Lamu's friend when they first even got together. A couple months after me and Leona became friends, I found out that we was cousins. So, over the past 2 weeks, a lot of people have been like mistaking me for Leona. Like they always come up to me and they say like, you favor Leona so much. And I just want to give my deepest condolences to your mom and your sister and your little brother, because I did, meet your little brother. I didn't really meet your sister, but praying for you guys.